all of the flaws in the place before were starting to wear on us. So the opportunity to have it cleaned up and looking new again, but keeping the classic look, was what was exciting me going into this project. No, I like that the floors don't squeak, that things work, things are right, things are level, things look new, but it's the same house as we originally loved, but just working properly. Mm-hmm. When we went into this, we had a bit of a horror story with a previous renovation that we did. We thought we went through a good selection process, but it turned out that it wasn't as good as we thought. And then working with you, one of the things I learned is, the contractors that know their trades, the people who know who they're working with, that have good relationships with them, are the ones that produce the best results. And truthfully, it's such an intimidating process going into a renovation, not knowing what you're going to get, not knowing how the trades are going to work, not knowing how things are going to come together. Having everything work out and having that trust was really a good result for us. Well, first off, we'll start with you. The confidence you had coming in, understanding what we were looking for, and being able to go through the house and know what needed to be done, and making sure that it got done. Then, of course, the communication with the team and making sure that they knew that they were following what you were looking to get done. I think that was really, really good. And that's what I liked about working with you. I liked about the company, that all of your trades, all your people knew you, and when you actually needed them, and this was actually probably the most interesting thing, when you needed them to step up and work, they stepped up and worked. We saw it when we were transitioning from the drywall to the tiles. The drywalling team were phenomenal at getting the work done. And then on that last day with the push, having everybody coming together and working that way to get it done, that's a huge asset to your organization, to your company.